Okay, welcome back, kiddos. So today I'm going to try and do this in 5 minutes. We'll see how I do. All right, so what I'd like you to do is go back to OnShape, log in. If you have not yet gotten into OnShape because you have email problems, then I will just contact me. I'll help you. So when you log into OnShape, you go into this environment. I want you to all create a document and call it Figure 1. So you see you've got the front plane, you've got the right plane, and you've got the ground plane. So what we're going to do to create this figure, what I'm going to have you do is actually create figure 1 here from yesterday, from last class. We drew this out front, side, and top. So you can see it's 9. I'm going to have you assuming that's 9 inches by 6 inches, and then it's 3 by 3, or basically 6 total long, right? So for me, I'm going to click that front plane so I can draw that first front profile. I like to start with the front plane, front faces. I think I shared that with you guys. So just click on it and then right click. If you have a mouse, you'll say new sketch. If you don't have a mouse, just come up here and click sketch from the other menu. I'm going to click on this front face so I can look at this plane directly. So whenever you click on any of these faces, that will just take you to a view of that. If you want to see the top, for example. So it's obviously just a 2-point rectangle. I like to start right at the origin almost always when I start a model. So if you want to copy that. So I'm just going to click out and then hit escape, because what I want to do, I don't care about what the values are right now, because actually I'm going to undo that real quick. I messed up in one way. So what I want to show you is that plane, I need to new sketch, view it, 2-point rectangle. You stay in the sketch mode, and then I'm going to go up here to the dimensioning tool and then drop a dimension on that. So I'll drive that to be 9. It will default to inches because this is an inch model. And then I'm also going to come up here and make that 6. Okay. And now I'm done with that sketch, because what I can do is then highlight it, right click it, and then say extrude. I'm going to go this way with it, and I am going to extrude it 6. Almost there, guys. All right, so I say yes, so I accept that. And I'm going to look back at the figure here. All right, so I need to add this chamfer and then this cutout. So let's do that. There is a chamfer tool here. So in this case, I can pretty much just do it. When I go back to the figure real quick, that looks like I can count the squares here. And that is 1, 2, 3 down, and 1, 2, 3, 4 over. So when you go to chamfer, and you can chamfer this edge, it'll actually let you do it by 2 distances. And I'm going to just go ahead and type this one in. So I'm not sure if that's the X direction. I can change them. Nope, that one was the Y. So I'm going to go ahead and make that one the 3, and that one the 4. See what that looks like. Yeah, that was right. Now I'm going to spin the sucker around, grab that face, and then I'm going to sketch on it. So I'm going to create a new sketch on that face. I'm going to hit the back face of the side so I can see it directly. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add. If I highlight that point, see how it kind of puts a little tag on it, knows where I want it to go. And then I can go up like that, hit escape to get out of that line tool. And I think I'm done. I think I can go and grab that shape, right click, and extrude, cut it this time. So I'm going to go halfway and say 3. And I got to make sure I remove. There we go. It's already saved, and then we can create a drawing from this, guys. I may be running out of time on this tutorial, and I'll have to put another one in to show you that. And that's not going to take very long. But I'm going to keep going here. So if you come up to here,